Hello and welcome to this session on technical writing. So let's get started. So what is technical writing? Well, technical writing is any written form of writing that can be used in a variety of technical and occupational fields. It's used in almost every industry like software, hardware, engineering, chemistry, aeronautics, etc. But IT remains the largest user of technical communication. Let's look at the history how it all started. The profession just started in the 1970s, where there was a large increase in the consumer electronics industry. And recently, there has been a lot of advances in the field of digital communication, as there were a lot of new tools being used for technical writers, like hypertext, word processors, editing softwares, page layout softwares. Hence, there's a lot of demand today for technical writers who can use these tools proficiently. What are the skill sets required for a technical writer? The biggest and important skill set required for a writer is strong writing and good communication skills. Basically, the main task of the writer is to understand the product and convey the same to another person in a simple and effective manner. Writers today use a variety of programs like Adobe Photoshop, Visio, Madcap Player, etc. So hence he must be proficient in one of these tools. What are the types of technical documents that writers produce? There are a variety of documents which a writer will be required to produce. We'll look at some of these. Instructions and procedures. Well, these are the documents that help either developers or the end users for using the device or a software. For example, API documents can be used for the developers to understand the software code, and the manuals can be used by the end users to understand the program or device. Next are the proposals. The most projects begin with a proposal. Well, a proposal is nothing but a document that describes the purpose of a project, what are the tasks that can be carried as part of the project, the methods used, and the costing of the project. So most of the times the writers will be required in creating a proposal. Next are the emails, letters, and memoranda. These are frequently written by the writers and these are used in the business. Press releases. These can be written by the technical writer. So describe the product's functionality and how it is useful to the public. Technical reports. These are written to provide certain analysis to the users, or it can be either internal or to the external. Next is the white papers. These are documents that are specifically written for a certain business challenge or a technological challenge. So they will describe a particular solution for a technological problem. Next is a website. Websites will be using about us pages or product pages, and these will be required to be written by technical writers. And the web development tools can be used by writers for producing these pages. Next is the desktop publishing tools of word processors. Microsoft Word and OpenOffice software are tools that are used to write, edit, design, and print the documents. Help authoring tools can also be written by the writers. These are primarily used by RoboHelp, Madcap Flare, and HelpDoc. Next is the image editing software. Primarily Adobe Photoshop and GIMP are the image editing software that are used by the writers to create and edit the photos, icons, etc. Next class of tools are the collaborative software programs. Usually we use Wiki, Confluence to share the document workspaces like Microsoft SharePoint and Google Docs. These can be used by the writers to share the documents between the various teams. Another class of tools used are the screen capture tools, which are prominently Snagit and Camtasia. These are used to capture the screenshot of the application. Next, we'll look at the various roles in technical writing. Prominently, there will be three roles. which is the technical editor. Editor will be required to edit, proofread the documents. Instructional design. Instructional designs are a special kind of technical writing where you might be developing a courseware material or explaining the material in a simpler manner. Next is the technical communication. So these are the references that you can go through to get more information on the technical writing. That's all the presentation. Thank you very much.